Imagine this. You're browsing online not for a hotel room, but for a room in a space hotel. Instead of a city view, you're looking at the Earth below. Sound like science fiction? It's closer than you think. The dream of space travel is becoming a reality, and soon, anyone might be able to book a vacation among the stars. For centuries we've gazed at the cosmos, filled with wonder about the vast universe beyond. We've sent probes and astronauts to explore the unknown. Now we're on the verge of a new era space tourism. This isn't just about short trips to the edge of space. We're talking about orbital hotels where you can spend days or even weeks living and working in space. This new frontier of travel promises breathtaking views, unique experiences, and a whole new perspective on our place in the universe. Imagine gazing at the Earth from a distance, a swirling blue and green oasis against the backdrop of the infinite blackness. Picture yourself floating weightlessly in your space hotel room, gazing at the stars without any atmospheric distortion. The future of travel is here, and it's reaching for the stars. Get ready for a journey unlike any other, a journey to space and beyond. What exactly is commercial space travel? It's about making space accessible to everyone, not just astronauts. Companies are building spacecraft designed to take ordinary people like you and me into space. Several key players are driving this new space race. Virgin Galactic, founded by Richard Branson, offers suborbital flights that provide a taste of space, including a few minutes of weightlessness and stunning views of Earth. Blue Origin, Jeff Bezos' company, also focuses on suborbital tourism, with a focus on scientific research and future lunar settlements. Then there's SpaceX, led by Elon Musk. SpaceX is developing reusable rockets and spacecraft to make space travel more affordable and sustainable. They're not just aiming for orbit, they're talking about taking people to Mars. These companies, along with others, are pushing the boundaries of technology and imagination, making the dream of space travel a reality for more people than ever before. They're investing billions of dollars, driven by the belief that space tourism is the next giant leap for humankind. The journey to space tourism began with pioneers who dared to dream. Dennis Tito, an American businessman, became the first space tourist in 2001. He paid a reported $20 million to spend 8 days aboard the International Space Station, orbiting Earth over 120 times. Since then, a handful of other private citizens have followed in Tito's footsteps, each journey marking a milestone in the history of space travel. They've experienced the thrill of rocket launches, the awe of seeing our planet from space, and the unique sensation of weightlessness. These early space tourists, often described as citizen astronauts, have paved the way for a future where space travel is no longer limited to a select few. Their experiences have provided valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities of space tourism, paving the way for the development of safer, more accessible, and more affordable space travel options. Section 4, Living in Orbit, a peek into future space hotels. Now let's talk about orbital hotels. Imagine waking up in a luxurious suite, looking out your window and seeing the curve of the Earth against the black void of space. That's the vision behind these ambitious projects. Axiom Space is a leading contender in the race to build the first commercial space station. Their plan? Attach modules to the ISS, eventually creating a standalone, privately owned space station. These modules will feature comfortable living spaces, research facilities, and even amenities like gyms and observation decks. Then there's Voyager Station, a concept for a rotating space hotel that could accommodate hundreds of guests. This ambitious project aims to create artificial gravity by spinning the station, providing a more Earth-like experience for its inhabitants. Imagine strolling through a space park, enjoying a meal with a view that's out of this world, or simply relaxing in your room as the universe drifts by outside your window. These are just two examples of the innovative concepts being explored. As technology advances and costs decrease, we can expect to see even more ambitious and luxurious space hotels in the future. Section 5. The price of paradise, costs and accessibility. Of course, a trip to space doesn't come cheap, at least, not yet. Currently, a seat on a suborbital flight can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, while a stay on a future space hotel is expected to be in the millions. However, as the industry matures and technology improves, prices are expected to drop, making space tourism accessible to a wider audience. Reusable rockets, like those being developed by SpaceX, are playing a key role in reducing launch costs. Additionally, advancements in life support systems, propulsion technologies, and space manufacturing are expected to contribute to more affordable space travel options in the future. While space tourism is currently limited to the ultra-wealthy, the future holds the promise of opening up this incredible experience to more people. Imagine a time when a trip to orbit is as commonplace as a transatlantic flight is today. Section 6. A universe of opportunities, the future of space tourism. The future of space tourism is brimming with potential. As technology continues to advance and costs decrease, we can anticipate a surge in space tourism activities and a diversification of experiences. Imagine space hotels hosting conferences, sporting events, and even concerts in zero gravity. Picture educational tours where students can experience the wonders of space firsthand, conducting experiments and learning about the universe in a truly immersive environment. Beyond tourism, commercial space activities are poised to create new industries and job opportunities. From space manufacturing and resource extraction to satellite deployment and space-based research, the possibilities are as vast as space itself. The emergence of space tourism marks a pivotal moment in human history. It's not just about vacations, it's about expanding our horizons, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity, and inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. Section 7. Your journey begins. Imagine yourself in space. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture yourself gazing out the window of a space hotel, the Earth a breathtaking blue and green sphere below. Imagine the feeling of weightlessness, the awe of witnessing a sunrise over the curvature of our planet. This is the future that awaits us, a future where the wonders of space are no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. It's a future where anyone, regardless of background or origin, can experience the transformative power of space travel. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, let your imagination soar. Your journey to space begins with a single thought, a spark of wonder, a dream of reaching for the stars. The universe is calling and adventure awaits.